Hello everyone. So in this video we're going to take a look at the CRM module of the BSONet website. Let me just log in. So to go to the CRM module, you'll have to click on the CRM tab on the left hand side, and first you start off by going into your leads page. Here we're going to add a leads by clicking on the add button on the left hand side. So I'm just going to enter the mandatory information right now. Of course, when you're using this, you'll have to enter in all your required information. I click on my name, company, and company. If any of the drop-down menus don't have a field, don't have an option in which you would like, you can click on the plus button to add your preferred option. I'm just going to continue with just the required information. I'm going to click save, and you can see that this lead has been generated. You can see on the top row. Now to convert this to a lead deal, you can click on the edit button over here. Again, make sure all the mandatory information is entered in. Click on convert to deals. Again, just make sure all the mandatory information is filled in. You can see it displays the deal has been added successfully. Now if you go to the CRM tab again, click on deals, you should see there's one record that has been entered. Yep. So now if you go onto the CRM tab again and into your accounts page, here you will add an account for your company. Again, select your information. Make sure you fill in all the required information. Okay, just one more check, the information has been submitted. Yes, and you can click on save. So this will add an account for your company. As you can see, this has been generated, and by default a contact for your deal will also have been generated in the contacts page. You can see this is the same user that we entered earlier. Also, another thing, in any of the pages, if you click on this purple button, the edit columns button, you can select which columns you would like to show. So for example, if I just want to show the first and last name, I will unselect all the other columns. I can see only the first and last name is displayed. This any page that has this button, you can do the same thing over there. Okay, so in the contacts and accounts page, if you need to add another contact or account, you can do so by clicking on the add button in the respective page. Next, we will look at how to add a product for your company. This can be done by going to the products page in the CRM tab. Then this is the similar procedure. You click on add in the top left corner, select your product owner, product name. Let's say demo product to make sure it's different. Again, if there's no your vendor is not there, you can click on the plus button to add your particular vendor. Here I'm just going to select And I'm going to show that as well. Should have added that demo vendor over here, and say text product. Any other? I'm just going to select any information over here. If the tax information is not available that you require, you can click on Add Tax Info, and you should be able to do that. So from there, again, usage unit. If you want to add that, you can add that over there. And you see our product is over here. So the product that we added. If you want to edit that entry, you can again click on this button and change the information. So if I wanted to make this myself, an update, and that should have updated this product. Now we'll take a look at the cases page that is also in CRM. You click on that and you go to cases page. Again, it's the same format. Click on the add button on the top left. Click on add the information that is at least mandatory. Select the product. We had added the test product, so let's create an issue for that. By again, any of the fields that you require your own information, you can click on the plus button to add that over there. I'm just going to add again just the mandatory information. If you want to add a particular image or a file, you can do that from over here. You see, again, it's the same functionality. If you want to choose what columns can be shown or hidden, do that from this edit columns button here. Next, we will look at the desk page in the CRM module. Go to desk over here, and right now there is no entries over here. That's why there is no data that is shown. Again, let's add something. Complaint number. Let's do the one same for the one that we added before. Click on save. Now you should be able to view your record in this column. And finally, let's look at the deals page. If you remember, at the beginning we had added a lead which we had converted to a deal. This is what is shown over here. So if you don't want to go through that procedure of converting a lead, you can add a deal directly by creating one through here. And that is it for this demo. Thank you.